Keep your sensitive information secure wherever you go with this compact and efficient device. The best portable paper shredder fits easily in your bag or drawer, making it ideal for travel, home offices, or small workspaces. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Fellows Portable Paper Shredder. The Fellows Portable Paper Shredder combines power, performance, and safety into a compact and stylish design, making it an excellent choice for personal or small office use. One of its most notable features is its ability to shred up to 14 sheets of paper per pass into crosscut particles measuring 5/32 by 1 9/16 inches, meeting security level P4 standards for protecting sensitive documents. This shredder doesn't stop at paper. It's also capable of handling credit cards, paper clips, staples, and even unopened junk mail, which adds to its versatility. A 10-minute continuous runtime is impressive for a portable unit, and it includes a cooling period to prevent overheating. The 5-gallon pull-out bin can hold over 250 shredded sheets, minimizing the need for frequent emptying and reducing mess. Safety is a top priority with its patented safety lock, allowing users to disable the shredder when not in use to protect pets or children. In addition, the quiet operation is ideal for shared workspaces or home environments where noise can be a concern. Its sleek, modern design ensures it fits well with any home or office decor. The product is backed by over a century of innovation from Fellows, a trusted name known for delivering dependable office equipment. Whether you're handling daily document disposal or tackling larger shredding tasks, this model offers an excellent balance between capacity, safety, and convenience. It's particularly suitable for individuals who value high security, as the crosscut system significantly reduces the chances of document reconstruction. With reliable performance, a practical bin size, and easy-to-use features, the Fellows Portable Paper Shredder is a solid investment for anyone looking to protect sensitive data without taking up too much space. Number 2. Bonsaii Portable Paper Shredder. The Bonsaii Portable Paper Shredder is a high-performance micro-cut shredder designed to meet the demands of home offices and small business users who require extended shredding capabilities. Featuring a remarkable 60-minute continuous runtime thanks to its advanced cooling system and patented cutting technology, this shredder can handle up to 12 sheets at a time and process as many as 3,900 sheets in a single session. It's equipped to shred not only paper, but also credit cards, paper clips, staples, and CDs, offering true versatility for everyday document disposal. With a P4 security level, it shreds paper into tiny 13/64 inch by 15/32 inch, ensuring enhanced protection for personal and business sensitive information. The Bonsaii shredder operates at a low noise level of just 60 dB, making it ideal for quiet office environments or shared living spaces. It comes with a built-in jam-proof system, including overload protection, which minimizes the hassle of paper jams and enhances overall safety. Simply switch it on and feed in the paper. The machine does the rest automatically. For convenience, it features a visible trash window so you can easily monitor bin capacity. The 4 universal casters make it easy to move from room to room, whether at home or in the workplace. Its personalized design, durable construction, and easy mobility combine function and form in a very accessible unit. The Bonsaii Portable Paper Shredder offers both efficiency and security, all in a compact and modern package. It's perfect for those who need heavy-duty shredding in a portable format, especially users who process large amounts of documents regularly. Overall, this is a reliable and user-friendly option that goes beyond basic shredding needs. Number 3. Aurora Portable Paper Shredder. The Aurora Portable Paper Shredder delivers exceptional efficiency and ultra-secure shredding for professionals and home users alike. This micro-cut shredder boasts an automatic shredding capacity of up to 200 sheets and manual shredding of 10 sheets, providing both bulk and on-demand convenience. Designed for high security needs, the shredder transforms documents into confetti-sized pieces measuring just 5/64 by 15/32 inches, which meets security level P5 standards, making it one of the most secure shredders in its class. The Aurora model is capable of running continuously for 60 minutes without interruption, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Its anti-jam auto-reverse function efficiently clears paper jams, ensuring smooth operation without manual intervention. Additionally, it operates with ultra-quiet performance, which means you can shred documents without disturbing those around you, perfect for office settings or shared home spaces. Energy efficiency is another strong point with its auto power sleep mode, which reduces power consumption during inactivity. The large 8.5-gallon pull-out bin minimizes the frequency of emptying, and the LED indicator lights conveniently alert you when the bin is full or when there's an operational issue like overheating or door ajar. Aurora has built a shredder that is not only capable and secure, but also intuitive to use. With both automatic and manual feeding options, it accommodates a wide range of document disposal tasks, from clearing out old files to daily mail shredding. It's especially valuable for users dealing with confidential records who need a reliable, high-security machine that doesn't sacrifice convenience or style. If you're seeking a powerful and discreet shredder with robust safety features, the Aurora Portable Paper Shredder stands out as a top-tier option. Number 4. Aurora AU1285MD Portable Paper Shredder. Compact yet powerful, the Aurora AU1285MD Portable Paper Shredder offers high-security micro-cut shredding in a sleek desktop design, ideal for home or small office use. With a 12-sheet shredding capacity, this machine effortlessly handles not just paper, but also CDs, DVDs, credit cards, junk mail, staples, and small paper clips, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of document destruction tasks. Its anti-jam auto-reverse function efficiently clears out stuck paper for hassle-free operation, reducing downtime and frustration. The Aurora AU1285MD runs continuously for up to 5 minutes, which is sufficient for most home or occasional office needs, and does so with minimal noise to maintain a quiet working environment. Its Shred Ease angled feed design is a thoughtful safety feature that reduces the risk of accidental contact with the shredder blades.
Number 5. Bonsaii CD Portable Paper Shredder. The Bonsaii CD Portable Paper Shredder is a high-capacity micro-cut shredder designed for users who require serious security and long runtime performance. It can shred up to 12 sheets of paper at once for a full 60 minutes without stopping, thanks to its advanced cooling system and patented cutting technology. The device handles more than just paper. It can also shred credit cards, staples, paper clips, and even CDs, making it an all-in-one tool for protecting sensitive data. The shredded output measures 5mm by 12mm, earning it a P4 security rating that ensures your private information is practically impossible to reconstruct. Durability is the key aspect, with each unit tested before shipment to ensure it meets quality standards. A 1-year professional service warranty adds peace of mind for buyers. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.